back here. Today I got a package from one package mail day from Blowout cards. Took advantage of some big sales they're having, and also took advantage of the fact you can get some of the older Star Wars hobby boxes really cheap right now, and bought some stuff I want to open. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see what we got. Alright, so the first one here, there's a hobby box of Star Wars Force Awakens Chrome. We got a hobby box of Solo. Now, the only reason I would get any of these is that they're just ridiculously cheap right now. So, this one was not on sale, but I wanted to open one box of this, the Star Wars Galaxy 2018. I've done some online breaks of this, but I wanted to open one box on my channel. Got Star Wars The Last Jedi Series 1. We've got Star Wars Evolution hobby box. I really loved opening this. I've opened quite a bit of that, but the boxes are like 30 something a box now, so I wanted to try another one. We've got this one, Star Wars Journey to the Last Jedi. Another box. I've opened a few, but couldn't pass up the savings. Star Wars Rogue One Mission Briefing. And I think there's one more. Star Wars Force Awakens Series 2. So I think that should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, that's all of them. Stay tuned for this little opening. This is like my cheap Star Wars opening series for 2019. So hopefully we get some cool stuff. I'll open that one last, my Star Wars Galaxy. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.